All right, it looks like we got a two-part video here. And actually, I've decided I'm not just doing corn fried bacon or bacon. Wait, bacon fried corn. I'm not doing bacon fried corn. I'm doing bacon fried corn with whiskey. So you see that bacon's about 80% done. It's starting to get a little crispy in there. We got this sweet corn here. We're gonna plunk that in there. Hear that? Now, that corn will deglaze that pan a little bit, but check this out. This is going to probably flame up a little bit, a little flambe there. Oh my goodness. I did it. Oh, look at that. Ooh, man, that smells good. That smells really good. I think I might have to throw some more of that in there. Yeah. Yeah, right on the bottom there. There you go. There she goes. That's some cooking there, boy. You ain't gonna see that on YouTube nowhere. Okay, now we're gonna let this cook real good. This got to get hot and it's got to fry up. We're gonna burn all that liquid off of there. And we're going to keep going on this until it starts getting crispy. Oh. There it is. Next level. Whiskey. Bacon fried corn. I can guarantee you're not going to see a better bacon fried corn video on YouTube today. Maybe not ever. This is the next level. It's going to have to burn down for a little while. I don't know if my camera's going to stay on that long, but that right there, you mix that in with some salsa, or you put that on a, I don't know, something like a chicken fajita. Oh my God, that is good. Oh, there, how's that? Get a little more color in there. If you want to fry that up so it's a little crispy, you can throw a little salt in there, you can throw a little butter in there, but that's got to render down a little bit, kind of reduce and get a little crispy on the edges. Caramelize is the proper term, but oh man, that's gonna be good. There it is, bacon fried whiskey corn, or bourbon fried whiskey corn, I don't know. It's the next level, trust me. You're gonna try that. And you can do a couple more deglazings. You can see how the pan's getting a little sticky down there. All the stuff wants to stick to the pan, so right before you scoop this out, I would throw another maybe 2 or 3 shots of bourbon in there, stir it around real good, scrape the pan out, and scoop it into a bowl or onto a plate. Oh my God, can you hear it sizzling? Can you hear it? You see that smoke coming off of there? If you haven't liked and subscribed already, I don't know what's wrong with you.